Hello everyone, welcome to Concept Sub. In this video, we'll discuss the banking awareness part 2 of March. So Zeta and Dash has partnered to power next generation credit processing. Zeta and MasterCard has partnered to power next generation credit processing. So a booklet titled Be Aware on Modus Operandi of Financial Frauds has been released by which bank? So it was released by Reserve Bank of India. So the book titled Be Aware was released by Reserve Bank of India, who has been appointed as the President of the Financial Action Task Force. So T. Rajakumar has been appointed as the President of Financial Action Task Force, who has been appointed as the Chairperson of Telecom Disputes Settlement and Appellate Tribunal. Justice D.N. Patel has been appointed as the Chairperson of Telecom Disputes Settlement and Appellate Tribunal. IKF Finance has partnered with which bank for co-lending of vehicle loans? IKF Finance has partnered with Bank of India. India Bullion and Jewellers Association Limited has partnered with which stock exchange to launch the domestic bullion spot exchange? So Indian Bullion and Jewellers Association Limited has partnered with National Stock Exchange of India Limited, that is NSE. Morgan Stanley slashed India's GDP growth to dash percentage for year 2022 to 2023. It has slashed to 7.9 percentage. Whose tenure has been extended as MD and CEO for a period of 5 years by Bajaj Allianz General Insurance. MD and CEO of Bajaj Allianz General Insurance is Tapan Sengal, who has been appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director of Oil India Limited. Chairman of Oil India Limited is Ranjit Rath. Which bank has launched Green Deposits Program for corporate clients? That is, DBS Bank has launched Green Deposits Program for corporate clients. Which bank has partnered with Emirates Skywards to launch a co-branded credit cards? So ICICI Bank has partnered with Emirates Skyward, who has been appointed as the Chairman of Air India Airlines. Chairman of Air India Airlines is N. Chandrasekharan has been appointed. Which state has launched India's first ever digital water data bank aquarium? Karnataka state has launched India's first ever digital water data bank aquarium. Which country has signed $1 billion credit line with India to pay for essential imports of food and medicine? It is Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka is undergoing economic crisis. So Finance Minister has presented dash budget for Jammu and Kashmir for the year 2022 to 2023. The budget of Jammu and Kashmir was 1.42 lakh crore. Which state has topped in the country in terms of per capita net state domestic product at current prices? That is, Telangana has topped in the country in terms of per capita net state domestic product. Which bank has launched corporate liquidity management solution and government liquidity management solution for institutional clients? IDBI Bank has launched corporate liquidity management solution and government liquidity management solution. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Bharti AXA Life Insurance? Vidya Balan. She is the brand ambassador of Bharti AXA Life Insurance. Dash and Vitex partnered to offer merchant multiple local payments method. PayU and Vitex partnered to offer merchant multiple local payments method. Dash has signed an MOU with Indian Bank Association for collaborating capacity building for financial creditors. It is Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India has signed an MOU with Indian Bank Association. Which bank has sanctioned a loan of 1000 crore to Jammu and Kashmir Infrastructure Development Finance Corporation Limited? It is Indian Overseas Bank has sanctioned a loan of 1000 crores. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Confederation of Indian Industry Western Region of the year 2022 to 2023? Chairman of CII Western Region is Sunil Chodia. Moody's has slashed India's GDP growth rate to dash percentage from 9.5%. It has slashed to 9.1% from 9.5%. Business France has signed an MOU with which bank to support companies in Indo-French corridor? It is Kotak Mahindra Bank. Which bank to provide $1 billion credit facility to Sri Lanka for the procurement of food, medicines and other essential items? It is State Bank of India to provide $1 billion credit facility to Sri Lanka. Whose tenure has been extended as CEO of RBL Bank by Reserve Bank of India? Raju Ahuja. His tenure has been extended as CEO of RBL Bank. India's forex reserve declined by $9.646 billion to $622.275 billion. Which bank has been awarded with National Award for Outstanding Performance for Financial Year 2022-2021 for SHG Bank Linkage? Which bank? It is Jammu and Kashmir Bank has been awarded with National Award for Outstanding Performance. Dash becomes first fintech to receive RBI's prepaid payment instrument interoperability. Live Quick becomes first fintech to receive RBI's PPI interoperability. Which bank has been awarded IFR Asia's Asian Bank of the Year? It is which bank? It is Axis Bank. Which mutual fund has launched Housing Opportunities Fund? ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund has launched Housing Opportunities Fund. Who has been appointed to High-Level Advisory Board on Multilateralism by UN Secretary General? Jayanti Ghosh has been appointed to High-Level Advisory Board on Multilateralism. Which bank has invested 109 crores in National Asset Reconstruction Company Limited? Which bank? It is Bank of India. Abex Cash has tied up with Dash to provide trading services to its customer. Abex Cash has partnered with Access Securities. Who has been appointed as the non-executive director of HSBC's Asia unit? It is Rajnish Kumar has been appointed as the non-executive director of HSBC's Asia unit, and he is also be the board members of L&T Infotech, Hero Motocorp and Bharat Pay and Dun and Bradstreet. So remember all these things. Which small finance bank has tied up with Tata Motors to offer finance for passenger vehicles? Which small finance bank? It is AU Small Finance Bank has tied up with Tata Motors. Next, Kotak Mahindra Bank and Axis Bank has acquired dash percentage stake each in Open Network Digital Commerce for 10 crores. Kotak Mahindra and Axis Bank has acquired 7.84% of stake in ONDC. Which bank has partnered with Chennai Super Kings to launch co-branded credit cards? It is ICICI Bank has partnered with Chennai Super Kings to launch co-branded credit cards. Which bank has partnered with ICICI General Insurance Company to provide smartphone insurance? It is Airtel Payments Bank has partnered with ICICI General Insurance Company to provide insurance to smartphones. Punjab National Bank has acquired dash percentage stake in Open Network for Digital Commerce. PNB has acquired 6% of stake in ONDC. Dash to buy neo banking platform Avel Finance to strengthen finance service. It is Ola Caps to buy neo banking platform Avel Finance. Dash has partnered with PhonePe to offer financial protection to digitally savvy customers. It has Max Life Insurance has partnered with PhonePe. Next, who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Maruti Suzuki India? MD and CEO of Maruti Suzuki India is Hisashi Tekuchi. Hisashi Tekuchi has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Maruti Suzuki India. Dash has launched end-to-end online financing facility ePay. It is MG Motor India has launched end-to-end online financing facility ePay. Next, State Bank of India has signed a pact for co-lending with Dash housing finance companies to provide house loans. SBI has signed a pact for co-lending with 5 housing finance companies to provide home loans. Next, Securities and Exchange Board of India, that is SEBI, has imposed a penalty of 5 lakh on which bank for violating norms? So SEBI has imposed a penalty of 5 lakhs on Axis Bank for violating norms. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Broadcast Audience Research Council, BARC India? So who has been appointed chairman? Shashi Sinha has been appointed as the chairman of Broadcast Audience Research Council. Which bank has partnered with Easy My Trip to launch Green Debit Card? Green Debit Card. So this card is made up of 99% recycled polyvinyl chloride material. So it is environment friendly. So which bank it is? DBS Bank India. Who has been appointed as the chairman and independent non-executive director of Kalyan Jewellers India Limited? Who has been appointed chairman and non? Vinod Rai has been appointed as the chairman and independent non-executive director of Kalyan Jewellers India Limited. Who has been appointed as the chief executive officer of FedEx? Who has been appointed? Raj Subramaniam has been appointed as the CEO of FedEx. Next, Dash has tied up with Kolkata Knight Riders as an official sponsor. It is One Finance has tied up with Kolkata Knight Riders as an official sponsor. Next, Dash has launched Clarify Life Digital Education and Awareness Initiative. So it is HDFC Life has launched Clarify Life Digital Education and Awareness Initiative. Who has been appointed as the President of Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India? Who has been appointed as President? Sumant Sinha has been appointed as the President of Associated Chambers of Commerce and Industry of India. Who has been appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director of SRF Limited? Who has been appointed? Ashish Bharatram has been appointed as the Chairman and Managing Director of SRF Limited. Who has been appointed as the Director of Solar Energy Corporation of India? Who has been appointed? Sanjay Sharma has been appointed as the Director of Solar Energy Corporation of India. Who has been appointed as the Vice Chairman of Tata Steel? Okay, it is Noel Naval Tata has been appointed as the Vice Chairman of Tata Steel. Who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Colgate Palmolive India Limited? It is Prabha Narasimhan. Who is the Chairman of National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development? It is KV Kamath is the Chairman of National Bank for Financing Infrastructure and Development. Dash has partnered with NSDL Payment Bank and NPCI to introduce voice-based UPI digital payment solution for feature phones. Remember this. This could be an important question from the exam point of view because they are introducing voice-based UPI digital payment. It is Tone Tag has partnered with NSDL Payment Bank and NPCI. So what is India's rank in Global Venture Capital Investment Hub for digital shopping companies? What is India's rank? It is second rank with $22 billion. So the first it is US with $51 billion. Okay. Next, who has been appointed as the chairman of Chardham Project Committee by Supreme Court? Who is the chairman of Chardham project? Justice A.K. Sikri. What is India's rank in terms of market capitalization? India's rank is 5th with 3.21 trillion market capitalization. The first is US with $47.32 trillion. China second, $11.52 trillion. Japan third with $6 trillion. And Hong Kong with $5.55 trillion. India is 5th and the first position was secured by US. Government of India has extended the credit guarantee scheme for subordinate debt worth 20,000 crore for stressed MSMEs till which year? Till 2023. So 31st March 2023 it has been extended. So Reserve Bank of India has partnered with which IIT institute to boost fintech startup? So RBI has partnered with IIT Madras to boost fintech startup. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Confederation of Indian Industry of Southern Region? Just now we saw the other region. Now it is Southern Region. So Suchitra K. Ella. She has been appointed as the chairman of CII of Southern Region. And the deputy chairman is Kamal Bali. Which bank has issued the world's first wildlife conservation bond or the rhino bond to increase the rhino population in South Africa? It is World Bank. Okay, it has issued for $150 million to increase the rhino population in South Africa. Who has been appointed as the interim MD and CEO of CSB Bank? Who has been appointed? Pralay Mondal has been appointed as the interim MD and CEO of CSB Bank. So RBI has partnered with Dash to launch RBI Academy. RBI has partnered with National Apprenticeship Promotion Scheme to launch RBI Academy. So this could be also an important question. Next. Reserve Bank of India has launched Reserve Bank Innovation Hub in which Indian city? So the RBI has launched Reserve Bank Innovation Hub in Bengaluru. Who is the current chairman of Reserve Bank Innovation Hub? The chairman of Reserve Bank Innovation Hub is Senapati Chris Gopalakrishnan. So if you like our videos, please subscribe to Concept Hub. So we are done with March banking awareness. We'll come up with February banking awareness. So by that time, all the best and keep preparing.